You gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
I love that.
That thing is fire.
Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Welcome back. We are on episode 2. And episode 2 is called, basically these are captions. So the captions are the titles. So episode 2 is called When You Look Good, You Feel the Vibe. When your mind's in check, you start to thrive. So let's get into day 2's look. So again, this is remixing because we literally are taking the same outfit from yesterday. And today we switched out the red vest for the black furry vest. Now this vest, y'all, I bought this vest years ago. I have this vest in so many colors: black, white, red, brown, burgundy. I have so many colors. I got majority of them from Target. And again, it was years ago when I bought them, but I have always kept them. I pretty much pull them out every fall and winter. They are definitely staples in my closet. But as you can see, just from going from a red top to a black top, the look is completely different. And what we also did in this look, I switched out the black top for a red top. So that is the other difference. And this top came from Rainbow. I think I ordered this red color, an orange color, and a gray. So you will see them coming up. But yes, you guys, this is episode 2, outfit number 2. I know I have a hole in my stockings, but it's all good. If you missed episode 1, majority of this outfit, well, no, if you missed episode 1, just go back and watch it, because then you'll see where everything came from. So I won't have to keep repeating myself. So yes, this is episode 2. If you like what you see, I hope you enjoy. This is so fun for me putting outfits together. But yeah, if you enjoy, if you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and come back tomorrow for episode 3. Bye, guys.